Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Mini Cooper 7. So this car's done less than 3,000 miles. Some of its features include part leather interior, 17-inch alloy wheels, dual zone air conditioning. You also get DAB digital radio with Bluetooth connectivity. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre petrol engine that gives you 134 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 3,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.